Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the enchanting world of vintage elegant cottage interior decoration. In this immersive experience, we will unravel the secret to infusing your cottage with a nostalgic charm that seamlessly marries the quaint allure of a bygone era with timeless elegance. From floral prints to distressed furniture, each idea is a step towards creating a cottage that whispers tales of history and exude a refined beauty. Join us in discovering the art of blending vintage aesthetics with the cozy intimacy of a cottage retreat. Start your vintage cottage transformation with a palette of soft hues and delicate floral prints. Think pastel blues, muted pinks, and gentle greens that bring a breath of fresh air indoors. Floral patterns on curtains, upholstery, and bedding add a touch of whimsical elegance. Embrace the charm of distressed furniture to infuse your cottage with character. Weathered wooden tables, chipped paint dressers, and vintage-inspired seating create an atmosphere that feels all loved and lived in. Delve into the world of cottagecore aesthetics with quaint details. Incorporate wicker baskets, dainty t-shirts, and embroidered toils to evoke a sense of simplicity and rural charm. Adorn your cottage with vintage-inspired linens and textiles. Layer beds with crocheted blankets, drape sofas with lace-trimmed throws, and choose embroidered tablecloths to add textures and a touch of elegance. Curate an art collection that reflects the vintage soul of your cottage. Antique frames, botanical prints, and ornate mirrors transport you to a time where craftsmanship and aesthetics are intertwined. Transform your fireplace into a cozy nook with vintage-inspired details. Display stacked firewood in antique crates, add a plush rug, and place an overstuffed armchair for a reading spot that exudes warmth. Transform your kitchen with vintage charm. Consider open shelving with vintage dishes, retro appliances, and a farmhouse sink. Incorporate distressed wooden elements for a cozy lived-in feel. Illuminate your cottage with classic lighting fixtures. Think wrought iron chandeliers, vintage pendant lights, and whimsical lanterns that add a touch of romance to your living space. Bring the outdoors inside by introducing potted plants, floral arrangements, and botanical prints. Create a cottage garden vibe that seamlessly blends the charm of nature with the elegance of vintage decor. Choose upholstery with a vintage touch. Floral patterns, ticking stripes, and toile prints on sofas, armchairs add a touch of sophistication while maintaining the cottage coziness. By the end of this video, we have uncovered the magic that unfolds when nostalgia meets refined beauty. Each idea discussed is a testament to the art of creating a cottage that not only stands as a retreat from the bustling world but also tells a story of timeless elegance. So embark on the journey of infusing your cottage with the charm of vintage decor. Let the soft hues and distressed details transport you to a simpler time, and may your cottage become a heaven of nostalgic elegance, where every corner tells a story of warmth and refined simplicity. This video contains a lot of decor style that will help you while you are decorating your home. So watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more home decor inspiration.